You are creating a new YouTube channel. Now you want to grow and grow fast, but it's logical. Channel is new, so subscribers will be 0 on it. So even if you upload a video, like the best video in the world, still it's difficult to get views. You must be needing some initial views, right? I mean, forget everything. Put everything aside. But you have to get those initial 100 people or even those 10 people from somewhere, right? Only then YouTube will promote you. In this situation, you only have one option, sharing your video. But trust me, that is the last thing you want to do. You think how to get views in the beginning, and you think of sharing. Now you just start sharing the videos with your friends, family, school groups, and whatnot. And with that, your views start increasing and you feel you are growing. But think about it, your channel may grow, but it will be dead. But why? Why does it happen? By sharing, growth should happen. Yes, it should happen, but it won't. And today's topic is this only: why you should never share your videos. Also, if you want to grow on YouTube and you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then you are missing a lot. So subscribe this channel immediately. And now let's start. So why am I telling you not to share? Let me explain this to you with an example few years back. Some kids in my school made a YouTube channel. In just 2-3 days, they had more than 5,000 views and 500 plus subscribers. Now don't say that 500 subscribers is nothing before making the channel. In 2-3 days, 500? No, 5 subscribers is too much, so 5,000 views on a single video was excellent. But how did these views come? By sharing their video. And just now I told you, never share your videos. So what was to happen? They were all in an illusion that 5,000 views on this video, and we have 500 subscribers. So now views will come, our channel will grow. Now I am not going to tell you the name of that channel, but yes, you are right. That channel is still stuck on 500 subscribers and is dead. But why did this happen? Dude, sharing should increase the reach. Then why did the channel die? I will tell you this in a while. Now understand. Fake hope. This is reason number 1 why you should never share your videos. It's a small thing. You do some work, you see some results of it, you get motivated and you work more, and you see more results of it. You keep doing that work and you don't get demotivated because you see some results. But what happens by sharing videos? You don't work that much in the beginning, but you see a lot of results. Means you have made only one video, but you get a lot. But as I told you, by sharing videos, views will come only once. They don't really grow that much. So now you think for yourself. On one side you see that today your 2 subscribers increased, tomorrow 4, day after tomorrow 5, and maybe next day 10. On the other side, today your 100 subscribers increased. But after that, they are not increasing. There is 0 growth. Which case will motivate you more? First case, right? Because we all love growth. That is what motivates us. That something is happening right. But by sharing, we get a fake hope, which will ultimately end. Hence, this was reason number 1 why you should never share your videos. Now let's talk about reason number 2. The algorithm. I will make a detailed video on this soon, but for now, you understand in short. To make a video viral, you need main. I mean, there are many things, but main only needs 2 things: CTR and watch time. CTR means how much people click on your thumbnail, and watch time means how much % people are watching your video. The more these 2 will be, the better. But the problem comes here by sharing videos. What are you saying? Why will our family members harm us? Yes, they won't. But if they don't know that they are harming us, then look, those who have basic knowledge of YouTube, like I had a few years back, those people think that the main thing on YouTube is views, and the more views, the more growth and money. They don't know about watch time, content type, RPM. Let's leave aside how and what happens. In this case, we share our videos as a hero in all the groups. But suppose you have made a Minecraft video. What does 50 years old uncle have to do with Minecraft? Minecraft has a very niche audience, and it's not like everyone is going to watch your videos. And hence, not everyone is your potential audience. I will explain the concept of this potential audience in my next video, but understand it like this now. You share those videos in your group, but then they have no interest in it. But you are their family. They want the best for you, and they think that views are the main thing. So they will click that video, watch it for a few seconds, and as you said, like, share and subscribe. But they will neither watch this video completely, nor will they watch any of your new videos, because they have no interest in this content. And I don't know about your growth, but you will definitely get dead subscribers. Means if they see you, they will think that, wow, I have 1,000 subscribers. But they don't have active subscribers. You think yourself how many channels you have subscribed, but do you watch all of their videos? No, and they are called dead subscribers, and this will be the same case with your friends. They will just have a curiosity that let's see what he has made. Again, the same thing will happen. They will also watch this video for a few seconds and stop it. Again, it is your loss. You will ask them to subscribe and maybe like the video. But 1, your watch time will be reduced. Second, you will see there that I have 500 subscribers, but no one is going to watch the new video because they are not interested in this content. Why? Because they are not your potential audience. What should we do to criticize how to grow without sharing? Listen, it says that the initial log will come from nowhere. Yes, it was said. And see, ultimately you will get to share videos, but the right way, the normal way to share videos is to never share your videos. But there is a right way in which I have grown and mostly YouTubers are hooked. So then, what is the right way to share your videos? Click here to watch this video and know what is going on. How to share your videos the right way? And if you have any questions related to the algorithm like this video, please ask in the comments. Yes, ask in the comments. I will make videos on everything,